Hey, what's up?
MTE 2025. We got Daniel Crouse here and his new tool lineup. We're going to get him to showcase what he's got here.
Sure. Well, we'll start with the max reach flat bar. How about that? Okay, so here we've got a super stiff flat bar. This is a bar that's not going to bend on you. If you're doing a body line dent, you're pushing really hard, this sucker's not going to fold on you like most flat bars will fold. It also has 4 different leveraging points here, so you can add, it's all drilled and tapped 5/16, so you can add any extension to this. So in box sides, front side sections of box sides where you can't get really good leverage, it's big wide open areas, you can stack attachments onto that, put a mushroom tip or whatever. Now you can push off of the inside of the inner panel of the box. So that's the kind of the design for this. It works really good on fenders. It's got a nice bend to it, you can see.
Yeah.
It also works with this tactical handle. So the tactical handle can go on, any different way here. You can also use this thing as a kind of like a doodah. So you could put it like this. Stack a bunch of these on here. You can push this up. You can actually pull with this as well. So off of a fender. Yeah, it's
leverage points.
Lots of leverage, which is obviously really key for paintless dent repair, or body work, or whatever. If you're in the body world, this will be a really good tool to massage some dents out. But yeah. There's not much flex in it at all. You can bend it and bend it back, but you're not going to bend it fixing a dent. So that's the idea with this.
Awesome.
That's the max reach flat bar. These are available through A1 Tool. This one's priced at $239. Does not come with this handle. The handle is sold separately on this particular tool. So that's this one. Now we've got the we'll go with the, I'll show you the flat bar sword here. So this sword tool here comes with this handle and this handle. You can take these off, okay? You can add the handle this way, okay? Same deal, there's 2 different leveraging points. So it's a little shorter than the other one, but this one comes with a handle built in, which is nice. If I can unscrew this here. But anyways, you get the idea. So if you're on pushing off of a fender, or pushing off of a tire, working on a fender, you can actually use your leg here. You can push with your leg. A lot of guys like doing that. You save your shoulders, This is a really stout tool. Like I said, you're not gonna bend this thing. So anyways, that's the idea behind this. It's got this curved handle, which is really nice. You can also, let me show you this. You can take this ball off. You can add the ball here. Okay. And now you can actually roll with this flat bar. Okay. So you can roll out creases or whatever you're trying to do. Yeah. We need to slide it on something. Anyways, so that's the idea with this flat bar.
So you can kind of get creative with that.
Yeah, you can use
this. Your sword tool design typically comes from comfortability in this setup.
Yeah, so, super comfortable. Really stout tool, so you can push out some really deep damage with something like this. So that's the idea with this one. This one's $279, and it comes with these 2 handles.
Oh, so nice.
That's the deal with this one. Now I'll show you the last one I have here. This is the Beast Bar.
Beast Bar.
Now this is 5/8 stainless. So it is an absolute beast. It's 3 feet long, 36 inches. You're not gonna bend that. No matter what you do, you're not gonna bend this tool. So it's an absolute monster of a tool. You can see it's drilled and tapped 5/16 there. It's got a nice dual bend to it, but it comes out straight. So it's not gonna twist on you like You
Yeah.
can side load with this tool, but it's not gonna like twist and mess something up. So
Yeah, right.
it's got a nice feel to it.
This would be something that would be good in like a collision shop, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
This is great for roughing out big smashes. Yeah, whether you're a body guy or a paintless dent repair guy, this is a really solid tool, and it's priced very affordably. This one is priced at $239, and it comes with this handle and the ball. So really neat tool. I use these tools, and so I wanted to share, and hopefully someone else can find this really effective for their body shop, paintless dent repair business, whatever. So yeah.
I believe that's going to be a popular tool in the market.
So I am going to make a shorter version.
Shorter version?
So a lot of people really wanted a shorter version, so stay tuned for that. I have a lot more ideas coming for A1 here very shortly in the next month or so.
Okay.
So stay tuned for that. I'm Dan Crouse at the A1 booth here at MTE Orlando, Florida. So
wow, we appreciate it very much, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you guys.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.